So, what is an LLC and why might it be the right choice for your business? Well, an LLC or Limited Liability Company is a business structure that provides the flexibility of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. This means that your personal assets are shielded from any business debts or liabilities. Plus, there are often tax advantages and an ease of operation that make it a popular choice among entrepreneurs. Now that we understand the basics of an LLC, let's dive into the two main ways you can form one: doing it yourself or hiring a service. First, let's consider the do-it-yourself approach to forming an LLC. When taking matters into your own hands, you'll embark on a journey through research, paperwork, and ongoing compliance. It's a process that requires a keen eye for detail and a fair bit of patience. The silver lining? You could make significant cost savings. But bear in mind, like all good things, it does come with a price tag of time and effort. While the DIY approach may save you money, it does require a good deal of time and effort. But what if you prefer to focus on your business operations instead? This is where professional LLC formation services come into play. These services can be a game changer, offering expertise and saving you a lot of time. They handle every intricate detail of the process, ensuring that nothing is overlooked. Some even offer additional features such as registered agent services, but like most good things in life, these services aren't free. They come with a fee, which may vary. Hiring a service can save you time and stress, but it's not without its costs. So how do you decide between DIY and hiring a service? In the end, the choice between DIY and hiring a service depends on your specific needs and circumstances. Both options have their merits, considering time, cost, and ease of process. Whether you choose to DIY or hire a service, remember, forming an LLC is just the first step in your entrepreneurial journey. Good luck.